Hey everybody, this is Cody here, and in this video we're going to go over the Elementor video widget. This widget is a very useful tool to use to embed videos onto your website. So let's go ahead and let's get started. So right here you see I have the widget uploaded. Let's pretend that you're starting from scratch and you don't have this widget. What you're going to do is you're going to come over here to the list of your widgets. If you don't see this, come up and click Add Element, and it will display your list of widgets. We're going to grab the video widget, drag it onto our page, and Elementor has the feature where it shows you where it's going to drop the widget. So now we have this in here. Elementor auto places this. It's an Elementor advertisement video, I think. So that's kind of a sneak peek of what we're going to do. But since that's probably going to be off brand of what you're doing, I'll give you an example on how to upload this. So we're going to get rid of that link. Over here, I have YouTube pulled up. So this is my favorite video on YouTube, the Marvelous Breadfish. If you've never watched it, it's great. You're going to come here, click share, copy this URL link. We're going to jump back to our Elementor site. And we're going to drop that in the field, and voila, there's the video embedded on our site. And so one thing I want you to notice here is this dynamic tag. This is an Elementor Pro feature. This is if you're wanting to pull a video from any of these areas. I'm going to cover a little bit more of how dynamic tags work in another video, but that is what that is. What you can do is your start time, end time. This goes by seconds. So if there's a certain spot you want to start the video, so if I click 4, that's going to start this video at second 4. So it tells you right here that it starts and stops in seconds. Then we're going to drop down here, autoplay. I personally highly recommend not using autoplay. Google will ding your site if you have videos on autoplay. So I recommend to not use this. If you want to read more about it, go ahead and read that. You have a mute option, loop option if you want it to play consistently, player controls. That's going to be the controls on the actual YouTube channel, like play, pause, so on. Captions, privacy mode, and lazy load, which is that is where your site is loading up and it doesn't really load until the user gets to that portion of the site. And so what we're going to do here is an image overlay. If you want to put something on here to help blend the site in a little bit, you can put an image over it, the play icon, so we can hide that. You see how that went away, and so on. So if you wanted to put choose an image, you could select this, go to your media library, and I don't know, we'll select this bike. So there we go. So now you have a bike. If you hit play, then it goes. Tell me so then what you can do is if you want to come in and you can click, you can style it how you want, your aspect ratio, CSS filters, and then the image overlay. So that is how we do the YouTube one. So now what we're going to do is we're going to remove this. And I want to show you how we're going to do it with an internal link. So here is, we're going to drop the video widget onto the site. We're going to select our source, or self-hosted. Then what we're going to do is come down to choose video file, select this. I haven't uploaded this yet, so I'll show you how to do that. We'll go to upload files, select, downloads. We'll do this skateboarding video, open, uploads into my WordPress media files, select, and there we go. So now this is pulling from my WordPress media files. And again, it's a lot of this is the same start, end time, all the same features here. Your preload here, this is just what it says here, the attributes. Preload attributes lets you specify how the video should be loaded when the page loads. This is kind of getting into some SEO stuff. If we want to do poster, what we can do is go back into this, and I have some stuff ready here. We'll select that. Let this load. And so there. So when a user's coming in and they scroll, they're going to see this. And then when you play it, it's going to go into this video here. And so again, you can do image overlay, the style, same features here. And that is how you add a video to your Elementor site using the video widget. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps. See you next time.